Welcome to At Your Leisure. This is one of our cozy 2-1 condos here about 2 miles from the ocean front. This is available for monthly stays. So you can see our dining room goes right into our kitchen. It has everything you need to prep, store, and clean your meals throughout your stay. Our area is featured with a smart TV in every bedroom and here in the living room. This is a pull-out couch in case you need to add an extra person that's visiting you to get some views of the beach. Our bathroom's a shower tub combo with that sliding door. Perfect for everyone in the home. Then our 2 bedrooms are full beds. We do have a washer and dryer included in this unit that you're available to use during your stay. There's beach equipment as well available. We have beach cart, chairs, umbrellas, anything you can need to enjoy this beautiful Virginia Beach area. We look forward to hosting you.